Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rani. Today we are making body butter. This recipe is deeply moisturizing and smells amazing, and best of all, it's made with simple and all natural ingredients. You can feel good putting on your skin. Before we get into the recipe, let's talk quickly about why body butter is amazing unlike lotion that are water based and with preservatives. Real body butter is an oil based moisturizer. That means it's richer, longer lasting, and actually feeds your skin. It helps lock in moisture, soften rough patches, soothe irritation, and even improve skin elasticity. It's perfect for dry skin and especially good for kids. We are using three key ingredients, but each ingredient is packed amazing things on skin. We will need shea butter, jojoba oil, and vitamin E oil. And you can add essential oil or fragrance oil of your choice. The recipe will be at the end of the video. You can check it out. Start by scooping shea butter into the heat safe container or a bowl. Now we are going to melt the shea butter. You can use the double boiler method or just place your bowl in the microwave. Just heat 20 to 30 seconds intervals, stirring in between. Once fully melted, remove the container. Now measure the jojoba oil to the melted butters and mix well. Place the melted oils and butters into the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it's partially solidified, like the consistency of a softened butter. Then grab a hand mixer and whip. This step takes around 5 minutes and you will see the texture transform from thick and glossy to light, fluffy, just like whipping cream. Don't rush it. The longer you whip, the fluffier it gets. If you feel the butter is still runny, you can keep the mixture in the fridge for about 20 to 25 minutes and then whip again. Raw, unrefined shea butter is packed with vitamins A and E, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants. It deeply moisturizing and healing, perfect for soothing inflammation, stretch marks, or eczema, and works wonders on dry or sensitive skin. Jojoba oil is technically a liquid wax, not an oil, which is incredible because it mimics your skin's natural sebum. That means it balances oil production, absorbs beautifully, and leaves your skin silky, not greasy. If you just want to experiment, you can use cocoa butter, mango butter, or kokum butter instead of shea butter. Or blend of two butters or two oils. You can add beeswax. In my next recipe, I will show you with different butters, beeswax, and lanolin wax. Instead of jojoba oil, you can use sweet almond oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, apricot oil, vitamin E oil. This acts as a natural preservative which protects oils and fats from oxidation. Oxidation is what causes oil to go rancid over time. Expose to hair, heat, and light can break down oils and make them smell bad. Vitamin E extend the shelf life of oil-based products like body butter, lip balms, and slaves. It supports skin repair, helps fade scars and stretch marks. Essential oil or fragrance oils are totally customizable. Choose what suits your vibe. Essential oil are powerful, so few drops only. Once you're happy with the texture of the body butter, you can add vitamin E oil and fragrance oil or essential oil. I'm using fragrance oil and mix well with the spatula. If you're using essential oil, you can add few drops. Essential oils are powerful, so a few drops go a long way. If you have a sensitive skin, do a patch test first. Lavender, peppermint, orange, lemon. Choose what suits you. Once vitamin E oil and essential oil or fragrance oil is well mixed in the body butter, transfer your body butter to a clean, sterilized jar with a lid. You can use glass container also with a lid. Apply a small amount to a clean, dry skin. If you want a lighter texture, add a little arrowroot powder before whipping, around 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. Store in a cool, dry place, especially in a warmer climates. And there it is, rich, nourishing, homemade body butter with just 3 key ingredients. It's natural, customizable, and you can gift also. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button for more amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy soap making. Take care of yourself.